Hey, my awesome friends. So, back in February, it was my birthday and my son's birthday, and we got to go on an awesome, epic birthday Barbie cruise on one of the biggest ships that we've been on, Oasis of the Seas. I could totally make a video all about just the cruise, but this one is about my ugly suitcase.
Oh,
Yeah, I've had this suitcase for I don't even know how long. It's the biggest suitcase, heaviest thing, and hideous. But for some reason, my husband refused to let me buy a new one. So I had a little temper tantrum, and then I got over it because I remembered that I have this amazing set of fabric paints, and you know what? I can just spice up my own suitcase. So the only thing left to do was just to pick a design, which can be the hardest thing ever. But I decided to go with a Jen Stark inspired drip design, which I love her colorful abstract artwork. It is literally amazing. And I did figure out pretty quickly that it was best to just paint a coat of white over the black before adding the color, because that really helped the color to kind of pop out, or at least be as vibrant as I was hoping it would be. So I went to painting and I loved it. Once the paint dries, it's completely waterproof, and it actually ended up helping to keep some of my clothes dry because we hit a rainstorm before we could unload our luggage at the terminal of the cruise. But like I said, I think it turned out great. I ended up loving my suitcase again. And if you have a boring suitcase that you hate, you should definitely try it because it works out great.